Hi, it's Giselle coming to you with some Christmas projects. Yes, I said Christmas projects because it's been my experience that every September things get busier, crazier, more activities, your courses start or whatever, what have you, and then Christmas comes upon you and you haven't got anything prepared. So, I suggest that once you watch this video, just place it into your invisible cabinet of your photos. It doesn't take up much room, and you've got ideas, so you won't fret. Okay, so I've got two ideas. One is the little booty, the elf booty. Okay, trying to get all the angles so you can see it because my camera's on the other side and I can't see a thing. So this is your booty. Then you've got your little Christmas tree. Okay, both made with simple napkins. Okay, I'm gonna do one. See, this one I used a different color for the booty, so you've got your different contrasts. If you want to use your elf booty with this kind of napkin, it's up to you. It just gives a different effect, but you know. Okay, so I'm gonna start again. Okay, with the elf booty, fold your napkin towards the middle, two sides here, equal sides, equal parts towards the middle. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to fold it towards you. Okay, now you've got this side, the right side, you're going to make half a fold so it makes half a triangle. Well, half a fold, you fold it towards you so it makes half a triangle. Make sure that you've got your little pointy edges, because that's a symbol of the elf, which will define it very nicely. And then the right side is going to be longer than the left side. I'll show you why. So then fold your left side towards, so that the left side and the right side meet. Okay, making sure that you still have your point. Fold again the right side of your triangle into another half. Again, same thing. Okay, so now you've got your two ends that are going to meet together, and you're going to fold them together in half like this. Okay, so you're going to have this flap here, get it out of the way, because you're going to work with this end here, and you're going to need to fold it, insert it into the shoe. So you're going to fold this in half, and then you're going to insert it where the little booty starts here. You're going to have an opening, and that's where you're going to insert the rest of your the other part that was away from you. This little flap here. Okay. Okay. Then you're going to take this part here and fold it down so it makes like the lip of the top of the booty. Okay. No two booties are going to look alike. They all come out different. Okay, so now you've got this. Okay, then you're going to take a contrasting piece of paper like this one, tissue paper. Of course, you're going to make it green because it's Christmas, or you can make it another color if you want. It's up to you. And you're going to stick it in there so it gives a definition for the booty. And maybe put a little candy cane in here. Okay, a little candy cane. And maybe some other kind of festive candies in there. Okay. And if you want, I mean, your guests are going to be very happy as it is, but if you want, you can give it to them and they'll take it home. I'll take this one because this one sort of fell apart on me. So again, stick this in here. Put your little candy cane in there. Put your little candies. Okay. So if you want them to take it home, they'll be very happy. If not, well, it'll decorate your table very nicely. Okay, so that's the elf booty. I got these ideas from Luigi, the master of napkin folding. It, believe me, he's way ahead than I am. I am not a maestro, never will be, and so I just took his ideas and thought, oh well, I'll just give it a shot. So the little Christmas tree napkin, I used a contrasting one that has side with shiny side and the other side matte, so it gives it like a Christmas tree look, because Christmas trees have different shades on them sometimes. Okay, so you fold away from you, make your square. Okay, so now flip it over so that it, the open side here, the flaps are on your side because it's easier. Fold it towards the top. One triangle, two triangles, three triangles, and four. Okay, so you got four little triangles. So basically you've got this. Okay, then you're going to take, with both your hands, you're going to flip it over. It's not going to fall apart if you flip it over with both your hands. Okay, so you're going to have a pointy edge and two square edges on the side. You're going to take one of your edges and put it towards the middle, so you've got sort of like a half a Christmas tree that shows up. Okay, and then do the same thing with the other one. Do the same thing with the other side. Flip it over. If you see that your little triangles, when you flip it over, aren't exactly in the middle, you can adjust it. Okay. So now you're going to take your little triangles and you're going to fold them towards the top. You're going to take your second little triangle and insert it underneath the first little triangle. Do the same thing with the third one. Okay, the fourth one. Okay, so you're going to have basically this kind of look. And then with the last one, you're going to fold it the other way so that you've got your straight edge like a tree, So basically that's your little tree. And then just to, make it look cute, you just put some little candies on top at random like this, and maybe a candy cane towards the at an angle. And there you go. You've got two little Christmas ornaments that are really cute. Your guests will be very happy to have their own tree and booty. And so that's it. So for now, signing off. This is Giselle from our craft room. And till we meet again on the World Wide Web, take care. Bye now.